Alrighty. Okay, folks, let's get back to this ROKR submachine gun. Put some more of this thing together. Looks like today we're going to be working on the front barrel and also it's going to have the front grips on it. So we have to plug this guy into here. If I can get him in there. Come on, get up in there. There we go. See if we can get him nice and flush. Okay. And we got to add this little piece right over here in the corner. Complete the front handle. These two pieces, I already stuck the little tabs in there. I did the staining. And these guys, I'm going to slide hopefully right into this handle, nice and easily. I should not jinx myself by saying words like nice and easily. Come on. These guys aren't supposed to be tight in here, are they? There we go. So I'm just going to have to way around and get them all in there one at a time. Okay. We got this one here. Didn't go in. There we go. Alright. Okay. The other half of this handle, sandwich all that in together there. These guys started. Get that one going. That one going. This one's giving me trouble. There we go. So is his little brother over there. Alright. Closer. Now we've got these little ribs that go into the side of this. Get them in the damn hole. There we go. Alright. Get them in the hole. These guys are in their holes. Flip them over. Get the other one in on the other side. Okay. Okay. There we go. Now we've got the flipper page over here. Okay, now this guy, we're done with him for now. Yep, I started building this, just the first few, to get these pins started in straight, because it wasn't that easy to get these 4 pins to start lining up for everything to slide onto. But okay, we went from there to there, and now we've got a bunch of these little A3s we got to slide onto these shafts. One for this side, another one for this side. Can't get it to go in there. Come here, you little brother. Started in that damn hole. There we go. Alright, now we can slide his butt down there. Okay. pin's trying to come back out on me. Alright. Now rate 16. That's when you gotta get all four started at the same time. Come on, get in there. There we go. Okay. A couple more of the A3s. Of course it went on easy because I put it on backwards. Alright. Well, this A3's went in a lot easier than the other one did. See, I just jinxed myself again. I quit doing that. Get on there, dude. Right, going down. Another 8/16. Get all these holes line up. Come on, dude. Get started. Boy, this is... there we go. This one's really tight. That one's really tight. I forgot what direction I was at. And make sure you keep the direction straight. Okay, more A3s. More of these guys. And then of course another 8/16. These 8/16s can be really tough to try to get started in the damn hole, I'm telling you. There we go. Little pieces of popping out when I did that. Alright. A couple more of the 3s. We got it in the right direction again. Let's get him in there. And this time, doing what? Okay, these two guys. Goes on the bottom. One goes on the top. And you gotta get these pins acting on in there. The other side for the last piece to go on. I should have grabbed me something hard to push down on. There. Get in the hole. Get all them pieces stacked up on them pins. They're in there pretty damn tight. There we go. I think I got them slid back through there far enough to finish. Yeah, this one's still sticking out a little bit. There we go. Okay, and then we got to stick our last 8/16 on the end. I think I put it on backwards. Yeah, I put it on crooked. Hang on a second. I'm going to pull that bugger back off. Come on, get up there. Slot goes on the side. Like that. There we go. Okay. Well, we got that built. to take these two pieces, lock this whole thing together here. And my hands are shaking so bad today. In there. Locks those pieces together, right? I guess that's all it does, just like that. We take this guy, do the same thing on the other side. Lock him in there. Now, hold that together. And then we got these guys sliding under. I don't look right. Yeah, I don't know why my hands are shaking so hard today. Can't, maybe it does go in there like that. That ain't making any sense. I don't think. You know what? I don't think this is all smashed together close enough for me to get these guys locked on right. Oh, see, they're kind of going in, but they're kind of not. No. This whole stack is too far apart. See if we can't squish that dude back together even tighter. There we go. Okay. Well, let's see now if we can get these things in there. Understand there's a big gap there. Oh, you know what? I got one of these in the middle here on wrong. Yep, I sure do. That's why I can't get those in the side. I got to take all that apart. Dang it. Try this all over again. Alright, come on off of there. What do I get for not paying attention to what the hell I'm doing? Oh man, he's way up there in the chain. Alright. Now this is going to take me a while to fix this screw up. When I put in crooked. It's clear in the middle of the damn pile there. So anyways, so when we pick back up, I'll go back to it. I don't want to watch it make me go through all that again, but basically there's where we're going. This guy will go on the end. I guess the rest of my barrel gets built up along here, and eventually, there we go. Gonna be starting to look more like a gun every day. Alright, sorry about the screw up, but I'll get her fixed. I just don't want to make you guys have to watch me go through all that again. Alright, well, you guys have a good one. Like the old man always says, I'm out of here. And after I fix this, we'll start putting some more together to stain some more parts. Alright, you guys have a good one. Bye.